In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open the browser console in Google Chrome in the fastest way possible. This is a super useful shortcut if you're a developer, a student, or just someone who wants to inspect a page, check for errors, or run JavaScript commands directly in the browser. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, go ahead and open any website or web page. It can be your home page, a random search result, or any site you want to test on. The important part is simply having an active web page open inside Chrome. Now here's the quickest method. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and J at the same time. That is Ctrl plus Shift plus J. As soon as you press that shortcut, the Chrome console will open instantly. You should see the Developer Tools area appear, with the console ready for you to type commands and view messages. If nothing happens at first, make sure Chrome is the active window and that you're pressing all three keys together. On some keyboards, it helps to hold Ctrl and Shift first, then tap J. This shortcut is especially helpful because it saves time compared to searching through menus. Once the console is open, you can use it to inspect errors, test scripts, and interact with the page in real time. If you're learning web development, this is one of the most important tools to get comfortable with. And if you ever need to reopen it later, just use the same shortcut again, Ctrl, Shift, J. So to recap, open Google Chrome, load any web page, then press Ctrl, Shift, and J to open the browser console right away. It's fast, simple, and works great when you need instant access to Chrome's developer tools. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.